Hi, it's Bob, and welcome to another Paraiso Realty property tour. Today we're on the island of Vieques in Puerto Rico, and if you're looking for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with gorgeous Caribbean views all the way to the island of Culebra, then this tour is for you. Welcome to Belleza Del Mar. We're in the Villa Borinquen, Santa Maria area of Vieques Island on Puerto Rico. This is actually an adorable 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Kind of a little nook, a little cranny of Vieques not a lot of people know about. Not a lot of folks are familiar with this house, but very cute. Definitely move-in ready. And the best part is look at that view. That's the Caribbean Ocean. Nice turquoise colors there. You can actually see all the way to Culebra. If you look under those clouds, you can see the outline of Culebra on the right side. This property's good size. Got a lot of great vegetation here. Some palm trees. There's some hibiscus. Some more palms. There's some lipstick palms there. There's a mango tree. Some bromeliads. And even parcha have been known to grow along that fence line. If you like, it's actually big enough to add on a pool. You can imagine a nice lap pool right off this deck here. The deck's about, I think this side of the house is about 33 feet long. There's about another 20 feet long on the other side that runs to a little outdoor dining area that you'll see. You can see the nice tiling, that decorative tiling on the bench there. You can imagine hanging out here and barbecuing or sunning yourselves. It gives you a little idea what the outside's like. There are these French storm doors here. We'll see that in a couple of rooms. This is the living room. As you can see, nice color palette, nice tile floors. You can imagine sitting here and relaxing or reading or entertaining. And there's your view. Talk about a little nook of the Caribbean. That's what a lot of folks dream about right there. So you've got some storm windows. Glass storm windows, the storm doors also have glass, and it's a good sized space. Remember, this is the Caribbean. You're going to be spending a lot more of your time outdoors than indoors, and also in that little living room area is a mini split air conditioner, something that the current owners installed. You can see a nice tile runs throughout the house. This is the kitchen, recently remodeled. So nice stainless steel fridge here. Also notice the cabinetry is all PVC, all recently installed, custom made. There's the stove and oven. It's gas, not electric. And there's the microwave. And you can see some of the nice detail features on the PVC cabinetry. They also have quiet closed doors on them, both the drawers and the doors, so no worries about those doors slamming on anybody. Here we're seeing the detail. Love this backsplash. Nice cobalt blue. Nice decorative insert there. Really gives a nice pop to this kitchen. Nice clean colors. Clean design and great colors there. There's a quartz countertop as well. Really done well. Great sized kitchen. Everything you really need for living in the tropics. So there's, looking back on the left, that's the living room we walked in. Over here on the outside is this is a covered dining room. Get a great breeze here. From here you also get the breeze of the ocean, or the views of the ocean and of Culebra. So a nice little covered area. There's more of the side patio there. So again, this is more of that indoor-outdoor living. Often the lifestyle that folks are looking for when they're moving to the Caribbean. Those two windows right there are actually going to be closed up soon by some glass block. So by the time you come visit the house, there should be some glass block filling those spaces. Again, there's the kitchen. Love that cobalt blue. I'm going to go down the hallway here. And the first room on the right is bedroom number 1. It's about 10 by 10 feet. You can see a mini split air conditioner there. Again, the living room and both bedrooms have AC for when they're needed. But this room also has those French storm doors that lead out onto the patio. And I can imagine, just look at this, imagine waking up to that view right there. There's your view from the pillow. Caribbean Ocean, views of Culebra, tropical garden. That right there is the view that dreams are made of. It's a good size. This room has room for a dresser and full or queen size bed, nice wood doors. Across the hallway here is the bathroom. Has the vanity. There is a fan in there to help cut back on moisture. There is the window there. What's nice here is this is a huge shower. This is, I think, geez, like 4 by 5 feet. It's almost like a whole nother room. So a huge shower. It's a great space. Let's see a nice tile work as well. This house really is move-in ready. It's a perfect starter home. The current owners are snowbirds. They use it mostly in the winter, but I imagine it could also be used as a rental. But it really is at this point just turnkey. It's just absolutely move-in ready, and equally adorable. The vanity and the mirror. So as we continue down the hallway, down here at the end, there is some closet space right there. There's also more storage space with shelving, and there's also the stackable washer and dryer, so you have a little laundry room back here as well. It's really everything one needs to live in the tropics. Everything one needs to use as a rental, part-time living here for just the winter, or if you're starting a family or need a little starter home, this is ideal as well. And then down here we in the back we have the second bedroom. Same thing, about 10 by 10 room. Has the French storm doors. Here they're closed. Just wanted to see what they look like when they're closed. You do have the glass slanted windows. The AC inverter. Rooms like this cool down very quickly. 75, nice temperature. I really think 75, 78 is ideal. Down here it really kind of cuts the moisture and cools things down. Don't need to be much cooler than that. And then from this door leads us back out to where we started, which was out on the patio deck, and that view of the Caribbean and Culebra. So this is a title property. It's all completely fenced. There's a shared driveway that has an electric gate, so it helps keep the horses out. There's room for a pool here. I imagine a little lap pool off the deck. And would love to show you this property. It's absolutely adorable. It's just going on the market. And if you'd like to see this property or any other properties, feel free to reach out to us at ParaisoRealtyPR.com. I'm Bob. Thanks for taking another tour with us, and we'll see you on the next one.